What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going for the Ghost slides as well as the swim shorts. Refreshing. We're going for the slides first and then we're going for the shorts. Nothing's appearing. Shop page is up. Alright, so we're at the cart. Okay, and we're gonna view cart. We gotta check out. Alright, it's not loading. Alright, so we're gonna move just to mobile. Continue the shipping, continue the payment, and complete order. All right, the order is being processed. And we got it. So we got the shorts, and unfortunately, these slides did sell out. I'll see if I can cop a pair. So quick update, we actually were able to get these slides to go to our cart. We checked out with PayPal. It processed and we got the slides. So here's a preview right here. The order's being processed. And there's our confirmation. So roll the outro. And that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys have not yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out this video that YouTube recommends you watch. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.